All right, we're going to work on a drill that's really good for close-in fighting. A lot of martial arts styles, even in traditional martial arts, we fight on the outside, we use our kicks, we're always on the outside, and then once someone gets close, you don't know how to defend yourself when strikes are being thrown up close. I had that habit too when I was growing up. I would always turn my back as soon as somebody was punching. I looked like a kickboxer throwing really good kicks, and then they would come in, I'd turn my back. So here are some drills that I learned that you can do when it comes to working off your back. You will put one partner against a bag, cage, ring, whatever you have, and then the other one, we got Don Miguel over here, and then the other one's there, and he's just going to throw light punches, hook punches, either low, high, on either side. So Ty's just working his defense, noticing small movements, it's small movement, okay? So typically the first minute or so, you're just going light like that. They're just making sure that they're not exaggerating their movement, that they're not doing anything that they don't need to do in order to block the strike. So then, when the next round comes, Miguel will throw a little bit more heat in the punch so he gets used to the weight. And this makes it much more realistic. Any little details in your block that you don't have, you have to start adjusting once somebody throws with a little bit more heat. And then he could double up on a side. Go. Start doubling up. So now it's more combinations. If you're a coach and you're drilling the students, one thing you could do is if the punch lands, you could have them do push-ups. It's just a part of that hard martial arts training. Okay, so the other thing we could add here is for Miguel, I could just call out a number. He will unload that many punches, okay? So we can start it from him doing his own cardio, which is rotating his wrist, working his punches right there, and I go 1, and he throws a punch. 2. 3. 1. 1. 2. 4. Yes, keep going. So this one's great. It's getting him tired too, and he's working on his punches. A little bit more heat. If you knock Ty out, it's okay. We don't have waivers in this school, but I mean, come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 4, and 1. Okay. Excuse me, Don Miguel. It's my video. So we're here. The other thing we can do as a coach, I can catch with my gloves or catch with boxing mitts. I can have trained responses. These are very common in boxing, where when I hit one side, a combo comes out. So when I hit here, this arm, we're going to go uppercut and then hook and then cross. So he goes uppercut, hook, cross. So now I'm moving. Maybe he's just defending the other ones. Ba, ba, and then I hit him here, uppercut, hook, cross. Then next round, I add another combo. When I hit this other point of contact, he goes uppercut, cross, hook. So now on the top, he just blocks. But then now here, uppercut, cross, hook, or hook, cross, and then uppercut, cross, hook. So now we have those two. But the other ones, he's just blocking. And then one adjustment I would make is just have him go a little bit higher on that side. Okay. So now we're going to add the other 2 points of contact. Right here, he blocks up top, cross, hook, cross. So now we have 3 points of contact. Here, up, hook, cross. Here, up, cross, hook. Oh, doing so good, Ty. Up, cross, hook, cross. Giving him a B- so far. So up here, he blocks, hook, cross, hook. Okay? So this last round, you just have him drill all points of contact. And if I'm wearing boxing gloves, I could actually make contact and hit him here. For this drill, I'm not doing too much straight punches. This one, it's mainly for this sort of very uncomfortable space with striking. People get really used to being right here. Once you get better and you're more advanced, you can wear like 6-ounce MMA gloves, and then the blocking starts changing. A hook, I can't just go like this. I have to go really high up. There's a lot of head covering like that. And it has its downside. If I block up here, all this is exposed, but protecting your head's the most important. So you can work that drill with MMA gloves when you're more advanced. It's very good for close-in fighting. The last detail is when your back's against the wall, try not to sink your heel on the ground because it's hard to return punches off of that. You need to use the ball of your foot to respond and to return punches. So that's why when we do that drill, hits right here, uppercut, hook, cross, you don't want to do it flat-footed. You want to go here, uppercut, hook, cross, hard pivot right there. Okay? So that's pretty much it. I got Ty Bo, Unks behind the camera, and a studio audience. We got Levi, and we got Don Miguel. All right. Don Miguel. All right. That's it. That's man talk. Shout out to Master Ho. Should I cut the mic?